Good afternoon, my name's Mark Haywood from Thame Workholding. I'm part of the design and technical sales team here, and I'm here today to talk to you about the exciting world of bespoke workholding. It's something I've been involved in for a very long time, and I still find it interesting now. Part of what we do, obviously we do all of the standard products and all of the supporting workholding equipment, but that equipment doesn't always tick all your boxes as a customer. So that's where we will take your inquiries for those horrible jobs that you find difficult to hold, that are a challenge, that the standard equipment, the off-the-shelf equipment won't support you with. And that's where we see that we're a little bit different. I enjoy the interest in taking a challenge, a difficult component, your CAD data, send it over, we'll evaluate it. We will take the information that we can with regards to your machine, the processes that you're interested in, and we will find a solution. That might be sort of anything from our bank and sort of extensive knowledge over the 75 years that we've been in trading, or the 25 years that I've been producing workholding. More than likely we've seen your component and we've already found a solution for it. If not, we will. Some of the nice examples that we've got here. So this is a tibial tray piece of workholding that we produced, utilising bespoke and standard aspects with regards to the 0-point system on the bottom, so the customer can change over quickly for all of the different sizes of tibial trays they've got. A sort of a more simple example, but utilising the EZ05 gripper inserts. This means that we can have soft jaws, but with gripper inserts, with pull down action and a little bit of compliance in the gimbal that they've got there. We can also look at sort of semi-complex castings or very, very complex castings. These are sort of rotative examples, but we're also we've got the ability to do any prismatic requirements that you may have. All I can suggest is that you send your CAD data over to us, give us a challenge, get us to test our knowledge, produce you a perfect example of workholding for your requirements.